Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur80s, and today we are doing a Boxycharm December unboxing. So here's the box. I haven't opened it. The sticker's still there. It's not even openable. And we're gonna cut open it. Cut it open. Alright. Please be careful if you use knives like I do. I use my husband's knives. Okay, we're going to open it. Ooh. First things first, I'm going to try to do this without dropping everything in the process. Here is the letter, and here's the items below. It's red this time. I don't know if it's normally red. So the letter says Whimsy, and on the back is all the stuff that it comes with, including a little description about it, the name of it, and the price of it. Now, I'm already seeing things in here that I am super excited about. Like, the first one, right away, I'm really excited about because I always see their stuff on Instagram, and I'm like, girl, I wish I could afford you. So, let's pull that out. We're gonna go down the list. I think this is it. And it's a thing that I'm very much close to my heart. This is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. The reason why this is close to my heart is because I do have a channel called Between Monsters and Men, where I talk about cryptids, urban legends, fairy tales, paranormal, supernatural, hauntings, aliens. I talk about all that stuff. So I would love to get more themed things like this that matches both my passions, which is makeup and the dark and mysterious, so that I have more stuff that I could just be like, yeah. So let's look at this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, oh, hello. Look at that red. Look at that. It's really bright. It's called Red. There's Bad Wolf, which is like this lavender purple. There's Basket, which is brown. There's Peril, which is like this maroon red. There's Woods, and there's Journey. Woods is like a little bit darker beige, and the Journey is like a orangish kind of tone. I will definitely do a look at this because then I'm gonna just keep it. I'll probably never use it again because I'll be like, this is mine. This is forever gonna be just a collectible. So yes, I am so happy about this. I always see Storybook Cosmetics on Instagram, and I'm always inspired to buy it, but I always don't have the money at the time to purchase it. So I'm very happy that I got one, especially Little Red Riding Hood. I'm really big into werewolves, and although it's a wolf, I love wolves just the same. Inspired by the classic tale, this storybook mini palette was created exclusively for Boxycharm and is as beautiful as the inside as it is on the outside. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety mattes eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after. This ranges at the $35 mark. This is, forgive me if I pronounce this wrong, Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. A luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and leaving the skin with a luminous glow. This is $79. This is why I encourage you buying Boxycharm. It's only like $20 to $25 a month, and you get really expensive stuff inside. So it's just like, yes, get to try all the expensive things. So I have a lot of facial oils I have to go through, so I have no idea how long it would take before I get to this particular one to try it and review it. So give me some time, please, for the facial oil versions, because I got a lot now. They just keep giving me facial oils, and I don't go through them in time. I'm gonna pronounce this wrong too. Kaete? Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Add a radiant blush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush, formulated without the talc. This lightweight, buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. The money for this is $25. So let's open it. I like the outside. It's very pretty, marble-like. Let's see. I feel like a Sailor Moon moment right here. How do I open it? Okay. Ooh, look at that. It is marbled. Can't really see it very well on camera from where I can see. Hopefully you can on the actual camera. That's really pretty. It does remind me of Sailor Moon though. Just the way it looks. Reminds me of Sailor Moon. Like doo doo doo. This is Seraphine. Botanics Whimsical. Oh jeez. Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. A revitalizing lip polish infused with a blend of chamomile, wisteria, and honeysuckle to help keep lips exfoliated, protected, and silky smooth. Dollar worth is $24. So is it like exfoliant? Does it exfoliate for you? I wouldn't be able to do it now. I just have to put lipsticks on. Lipsticks. Yeah, most time. I don't know. I did put 2 lipsticks on. Let's open it and just check. Being assaulted. Oh yeah, that's an exfoliate. I'm gonna have to do this like every night because my lips get super chapped at night. So this might help a lot. And it has a fairy on it. It's very fairy tale like, this box. I'm very excited about it. So yes, 100% plant-based, vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, with avocado, apricot, and jojoba. Shea cocoa butters. Wow. Hypoallergenic also. Wow, we're getting a lot of good things this time, guys. Okay, and now for the last item. I was really hoping to have a eyeliner in here. Oh, what the hell happened to my teeth? Look at that. How long has that been there? Sorry, guys. I'm looking at the mirror too. It says like, how did I not see that? But yes, I was hoping to have a not mascara, an eyeliner because I ran out of eyeliners except for like my Tarte one, which I never use because it's so expensive. So, but I didn't. I got this Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. Style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit. Designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. Now, if you guys have been with me for a long time, some of you might know I'm extremely picky about angled brushes. I am. And if you didn't know that, well, there you go. Some information for you. Yes, I am extremely picky about angled brushes. I like my angled brushes to the point where they could cut you. That's how thin they are. So, where's the angled brush? Okay, so here's the kit. I like how they provide me black because there was one time I was looking for black and I couldn't find black anywhere. Like I couldn't find it anywhere, no matter where I looked. And I'm not kidding about that. I looked everywhere because I was doing a cosplay. Luckily I found a very dark brown and that just had to do. But I couldn't find black. So they do provide a black. There's a dark brown. I'll probably use the dark brown. It says angled brush, right? Yes, angled brush. This is the brush they provided. And you can't even see it. Here, let me pull you closer. Hi. Oh. This is the brush they provide for you. Sorry to say, but if you're concluding this as an angled brush, we have a problem. This is not an angled brush. And it's not sharp either. Like I said, I would like for my angled brushes to cut me from how like thin they are. But this is no bueno. Must be the mascara thing. Don't ask why I smell things. Sculpting mascara gel. So I'm guessing this is just for your eyes, because sometimes they give you these things for your brows. Like, let's just try it out. My hair's like, girl, we got this. Itchy ear. Nope, still gonna get in my face. Look at that. Well, the only thing I did not like about this was that brush. I do like this. I might have to try it out. So, yeah. So that is all for the box, except for this really incredibly bad brush. Oh, that costed $3, by the way. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing. I certainly did, especially for this. I am so happy. This made my day. This made my day. Hopefully it's really pigmented. I don't even want to touch it, but I'm going to just a little. Just a little. That's red, literally red. This is Peril. Look at that. Look at that. And this is Bad Wolf. Look at that. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. Alright, now filling up the makeup look for this. Definitely gonna have to. So I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this video. I will do some reviews on some of these products. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And I also do makeup videos, tutorials, craft videos, and mental health videos. So if you would like to see videos like that, which I still have makeup on my teeth, then please keep following and subscribing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.